All right, we got an update. We got a big update on lot number 20. You see the garage doors on back there. We've got some paint on the outside. Let's walk in and see what we look like. I like how this stucco turned out. Like I said, it's all cement or, the stucco material. And there's nothing to seal or anything like you would if it was hardy board. Look how high that ceiling is. It's nice. It's about 14 feet or more. They've got the drywall done, the paint done. They still have to cut in the baseboards. That's all done. Doors are set. They're moving right along. This looks nice. Nice knockdown on the ceiling. Came out really nice. That big back porch. Here's the master. So it come out really good, really nice. I'll do an update a little bit later on it. Kitchen's gonna be right there. As you can see, we got wires hanging out everywhere. Nice pantry. But we'll check in a little bit later. I can't get over these 12-foot ceilings. It's nice. The other thing that we have is 8-foot garage doors. And we use plywood instead of particle board. So check it out, guys. I will update you as we move along.